Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready to learn some real-life English? Great! Because today we are going to learn English through comprehensible input. What is comprehensible input? Again, comprehensible input means someone speaks slowly and clearly so that you can understand. And today we are going to talk about health and the things I do to stay healthy. Let's get started. Today, we are going to talk about something that is so important. Does not matter what language you speak or where you are in the world. This is something that is very important to you and to me. Health is so important, guys. It makes your life so much better or so much worse. That's why today I want to share the things I do to take care of my health so I can live a long and happy life. So guys, this video is going to have two different parts. The first part, we are going to talk about the things I do for my physical health. My body, my physical health. And later, we are going to talk about the things that I do for my mental health, which is just as important as the body, mental health. The two things go together. The first thing I do every single day to help take care of my physical health, to help take care of my body, is I walk. I walk every single day. I try and make sure I come to a place like this. We call this a trail or a walking path. I come to a place like this and I walk. Sometimes I listen to podcasts or listen to music. Other times, I just enjoy nature, the birds, the trees, very peaceful. So guys, walking is super important. It helps you keep your weight down and it helps to improve your cardiovascular health. And your cardiovascular health means your breathing, your heart, and blood flow. So, walking is super good for you. And I try my best to get 10,000 steps a day. A step, like 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps. Some days more, some days less. But I try to get my goal. And I feel so much better when I do it. So, number 1, walk. And the second thing I do to take care of my health is jump rope. Rope. Jump rope. I do this about 3 times a week. And each time, I try to do about 2,000 jumps. 2,000. 2,000 sounds crazy, right? But honestly, I enjoy it. Jump rope is amazing for your health. It helps your heart, your lungs, your breathing, and also your legs. Your legs. It burns a lot of calories too. Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I just focus on the rhythm. Alright, give me a few minutes. Let me finish my 2,000 jumps today. I just finished my 2,000 jumps. I always feel super tired after, but also super good. Like my body is stronger, my energy is higher, and my mind feels clear. So, number 2, important for me, jump rope. Number 3, long distance exercise. For me, that's usually hiking or biking. On weekends, I try to hike about 20 kilometers. That takes hours, but I love it because I can be in nature, see the mountains, the water, and just enjoy the quiet. Or sometimes, instead of hike, I ride my bike around Xianghu Lake. That's about 40 kilometers. And it takes me 3 to 4 hours. It's not easy, guys, but it feels amazing when I finish. Those were the things I practiced to keep my body healthy. Now, we are going to talk about mental health, which is as important or even more important than your physical health. Here it is. The most important thing I do for my mental health is meditation. Meditation means sitting quietly, relaxing, and focusing your mind. Normally, I use music with headphones, but today I will use the natural sound. Natural sound from outside. I'm going to do a quick 5-minute meditation. So I will set a timer on my phone. 5 minutes timer. This is a timer. See you in 5 minutes. Time's up. I always feel surprised when the alarm goes off, because when you meditate, you forgot about time. That was nice. I feel calm and relaxed. Usually, I meditate for 50 minutes to 1 hour, but even just 5 minutes can make you feel better, especially after a 4-day work. For mental health, meditation is my #1 tool. This is not just my option. Science proves meditation reduces stress, lowers blood pressure, and improves health. For me, meditation changed me a lot. It helped me become calmer, less angry, and deal with negative thoughts. It's like training at the gym, but for your brain. When I meditate, I often focus here. My mind always tries to run away, random thoughts, but I bring it back, bring it back, again and again. This simple practice teaches me, don't let your brain control you. Learn to control your brain. And honestly, meditation is the best thing I've ever done for my mental health. Now, the next one, almost as important as meditation, is learning. Guys, I never stop learning. That's my personal rule. Always keep growing. I read all the time, different kinds of books. You can see them in my study here. And then there is language learning. Here is the beautiful thing. When you learn a language that's not your mother tongue, your world gets bigger. You can travel to more places, understand new cultures, and connect with people you never met before. In fact, I got my job, a really good one, because of language learning. And without it, this channel wouldn't even exist. This community wouldn't exist. Learning language gave me something positive to focus on, something meaningful. And every time I upload a video and I read your comments, I feel that purpose. I feel I'm doing something good. So guys, thank you. Thank you for being part of this community, for supporting each other on this journey. You are honestly one of the best things in my life, and I truly appreciate it. I'm Ollie. See you in my next video. Bye bye.